In today's grammar point, we will practice using the positive could and the negative couldn't. Could is the past tense of the verb can. Could means being able to do something in the past. So let's have a look at these examples. I, he, she, and it. For example, I could jump when I was 4 years old. He could read when he was 7. She could run a mile. And they could talk for hours. Let's practice using could in more sentences. For example, I could swim when I was 6 years old. He or she could drive very fast. They could walk up the hill. Now, let's have a look at the negative couldn't. Couldn't means not being able to do something in the past. For example, I, he, she, and it. I couldn't walk when I was 1 year old. He couldn't read when he was 4. She couldn't go to work yesterday. And they couldn't carry the heavy box. Some more examples. I couldn't cook when I was younger. They couldn't drive very fast. He or she couldn't run fast at 3 years old. Now let's have a look at using could and couldn't with questions and answers. Asking and answering whether someone was able to do something. For example, could you walk when you were 2 years old? Yes, I could. Could he catch the ball? Yes, he could. Could she close the door? No, she couldn't. Could you? So let's practice some more examples of using could and couldn't with questions and answers. For example, could she swim at 6 years old? Yes, she could. Could you play tennis? Yes, I could. Could he swim? No, he couldn't.